Trump's tariff effect make in India boost likely, Apple and Samsung to ramp up production. Apple will have to start increasing its production in India to support the demand for the US market and help reduce the impact of the Trump tariffs in China. US President Trump's tariff order has sparked a massive setback in the market, but countries like India could actually benefit from these changes. Brands like Apple and Samsung are reportedly going to increase their focus on local production in the region and also get them exported to the West to compensate for any major tariff repercussions in China. Apple has relied on China to manufacture its products for decades, which has gradually changed with moves to India and Vietnam, but now the former is likely to get further boost, as mentioned in a Times of India report this week. You lose, we win. Apple is probably the one needing a major change in its structure, as its dependence on China for production is well documented. But the company is expediting the export demands in India to ship its products to the US, and reduce its activity in China for these tasks, the report adds. India is expected to become Apple's go-to export hub for products to the US, while China will cater to shipments for the European, Asian, and Latin American market, it adds. The Make in India silver lining: Samsung is likely to face fewer issues with these changes post the tariffs, as it has already set up one of the largest production units in India, and ease up the demands from the Vietnam unit. After all, the company makes the premium Galaxy S25 and the Fold series at the Indian plant, and it will rely on the existing setup to intensify the export demands for the US market. There is a lot of uncertainty around how the tariffs will work out eventually, as countries are hoping to renegotiate the terms and reduce the tariff range. Nan.